Hello and welcome. I've done some things already, and I would like to show you. We have lesser time now to submit before the career fair, so I'm writing a whole lot of code offline, and I'll show you once I'm done. So first thing I did was that inside this my SRC, in the app.css, I removed the CSS that was there and pasted my own CSS, which you will see on the GitHub, so you can just copy it and use it like that. Now after that, I created a new folder inside SRC and called the folder img. So it's inside there that I put my own image. Make sure you're not using my image. My image should be only me that is using it, so that my site will not look like yours. So I put this showcase.img JPEG because I want it to be on the landing page. So after that, I now went inside components under layout. So I have my navbar. I have my navbar and my landing page now. So this is my navbar. So I just put simple reference tag. So this is my navbar. So you see them also in my GitHub. Then I have style.css that I use in styling the landing page. This is the landing page. You can also see it there. So if you create a new folder, call it style.css and paste some style inside it, it will help you to style the landing page. So similar thing I did inside my auth, where I have my login. You can just use any. I extended this. This is not the auth that I have before, the login page, but this is much more better now. So I styled it using this style.css. So the register page, I've not done it yet. So when you run this very code now, you are going to see that your site will look like this. So you can see that my site is looking very mature now. So this is what I have as of now, which I'm going to push to the GitHub so that you can see the code there. So I'm going to say Ctrl+C to stop the server. So once I finish stopping the server, I'm going to just say git add all. So after adding all, I'm going to say git commit with message, git commit with message. So I'm going to just put a simple message because I want to quickly rush and do something. Added CSS. This is not the way it should be done, but this is just what I'm doing now. Added CSS. So I'm making this commit, but before that, let me quickly check out. Let me do git checkout branch, and the branch is show. So I'm gonna just call it show CSS. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did before, so that I make sure that it's reflecting here. Git add all and git commit, so that I can now push. So I will say git push, and as you're pushing, please be watching origin. So I'm pushing to show CSS, and I want it to be watched under show CSS. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna post this because I want you to be able to see it see it on GitHub when you go to check. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Always give my videos thumbs up if you feel that they are good enough for you. Also share them so that your friends can see them. So it's pushing now. Good, it's done. So I'll quickly go to my GitHub. Where is GitHub? So I'll go to my GitHub and make the pull request there. so that anywhere you are you can easily see it. So this is my front end. Okay, this is it. So I'm gonna click on this compare pull request. I'm gonna click on create pull request, and I'm gonna click on merge pull request, and I'm gonna click on confirm merge. So once I click on confirm merge, you should be able to see the whole. So I'll simply click on the front end teamwork. So once I click on the front end teamwork, you can easily see the okay. So if I click on SRC, you can see the image file and every other file. So please hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and God bless you. So this is how the website is looking as at now. So in subsequent classes, we are going to improve on this. Thank you, and God bless.